What is up, everyone? Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures, and today we just missed the grand opening. That was yesterday of Phantom Fireworks here in Grove City. See what we're getting on the inside. Start row one. We got fountain, rockets, and tubes. I know that because I read the sign. There's a few good people here. Like I said, it was day 2 of the grand opening. Try not to be so.
Look, there's the bottles. We like me and me like the bottles. They still have it. They have it
A lot
for
of
the
different
fireworks.
people. Look at that.
Yeah, and we love.
Double bangers. Let's just walk through right now. Get rid of a few people. Oh, they're following me. Oh, I hate life. Some rockets. Let me go back this way now. I apologize for all that. Had to let the aisle clear. All apologies. But this is what we're looking at. I might be looking for some daytime fireworks, to be honest. I know that sounds weird, like Charlie Brown, what you want daytime fireworks for? Well, special reason. My mom and dad are both passed away, so, and my mom was buried on July 3rd, so that's normally our Red, White, and Boom Day. So I like to take fireworks over there before we go downtown and set some off for them too, you know what I mean? Like their own private show. I don't record it or nothing, but didn't mean to bore y'all with that story. 8-piece. Magic cubes. They got all kinds of wild ones here. Yeah, I came the day before the grand opening, so they wasn't open yet. So I messed all that up. We got these big assortments, but I was always told not to deal with them because there's a lot of filler. 500 grams. Some boomers right there. 500 bones. Let's go over here. The big box cases. That. This is big boy shit. Charlie Brown will not be getting ready today. What's going on, Bubba?
You need help?
No, sir. Try to tell me I couldn't video. I don't know. I don't know. Might be a short video, y'all. I'm over here just trying to film for y'all, and some old fuck come over, yipping and yapping, when I was already given permission, 100%. It's the whole reason I came here. Yeah, he's looking at me like I'm about to steal shit or something. Hey, get the fuck out of here, old man. Boom. Was that gonna help you? No. For what? I'm just looking to get something here when I find it. All kinds of good stuff here. Just avoid the people. Avoid at all costs. Look at those. Woo-wee. Oh, we got those. There's the big booms right there. He must not want his store promoted now. It's alright, bro. I ain't mad. They all kinds of good shit. There's so much. I don't understand paying all this big dollars, you know what I mean, for 10 seconds worth of boom. Now it's gonna be nice and all, but I just don't, you know what I mean? I am glad they're not playing music. That would be a real ass right there for sure. They keep walking around different aisles looking at me. I love it. Did I go in that one already? I think I did. Here we go. So we ever want. Look at that there. 6-piece. Be alright. What's going on, buddy? We got these for the kids here. Fountains. Everybody loves those. We're gonna have some globes for sure. Gathering accessories. Don't worry, I'm not getting no one. This ain't really that big of a store. I'm gonna go through here again now that I'm not gonna be rudely interrupted. See those? That Rolling Thunder might be alright. You know what I mean? That's over here, I do believe. Right there. Then you have the Uncle Sam assortment. See, I watched the, now that I started talking about it, I totally forgot what it was. The Cody CV, you know what I'm talking about? The firework channel. He does them all. Look at that, 15 pieces, they all go up. But I am looking for something Pacific. I really am, though. 100%. Need something that looks like diamonds falling out of the sky. Get the party started. Look at that. Boom. But I was always told, like, get what you want personally and not get, like, assortments, you know what I mean? Because they do come with a lot of stuff you're probably not looking for. You know what I mean? Look, we're going to get one of these. You gotta be safe about it. I like to get the novelties. Look at those. These are some of my favorites. The tanks. Gotta love it. I like those little things. I like the snakes and sparklers. Oh, check that one out. That's righteous. That's like a whole box of them. I'm probably only gonna get a few today. See, these are the ones they sit and spin and do all the extra. Tornadoes. What is that? Oh,
Sorry, I checked you. Okay.
oh, it's
Sorry
fine,
about
Bubby. Absolutely. Look, we got these. These are some of my favorites. Roman candles. I love them. I'm definitely gonna grab some today. They said if we buy a bucket or a T-shirt, we get like so much off or something like that. Like what is this? Little 6-pack, 4-pack, 5? It's early. I can't count yet. Oh, look at that crazy ball cannon. You know how many juggalos is gonna be here? Whoop whoop, baby. Our gathering. I'm not to be off subject, but our gathering is July 5th. They couldn't have been more wrong. They just couldn't have been more wrong. But it's gonna be fun though. We're safe about it. You know what I mean? We let our mortals off in 6 in the morning. Not when a lot of people's out. Boom. But I don't know what comes with the bucket. Does it come with like whatever you can fit in it? You know what I mean? Or does it, you know? See, that's just too high for me. Even if I had the bread, I don't know if I could. You know what I mean? I'll leave the big shit to red, white, and blue. Because that would be probably the best idea. A what? Oh, for Pete's sakes. Get away from that. No. See, now I'm seeing all these names, and I totally forgot the names I had in my mind that I was looking at. Or had, you know what I mean? Had a thing. It's $40 though. 19 shots. These are the big boy joints though. See, for like $100, you know you can. Oh man, it'd be nice, but it would just go so fast. You know what I mean? You'd almost have like $1,000 to be to have a good show. You know what I mean? On all that big boy stuff. 500 grams. Ooh wee. I'm gonna want to blow your hands off. I'm just trying to get shit I missed. Now that people are starting to clear out. Once I end this video, I'll start shopping. Then we'll have another one on what I got. Some boomers. Here's the bricks. That wolf pack, they're pretty good. I know them. Notorious. Cosmic Carnival. 110. Look, they're showing you like kind of what it does. It's kind of good. Check out this. Jesus, look at this thing. Ooh. That's your assortment right there, boy. That's monstrosity. You get kicked out of Columbus with that. This item is a display kit. Yeah, they got one in the back for sure. Ground for divorce. Yeah, that's about what it'd be. That'd be awesome, though. That guy, that's taller than I am. That wouldn't fit in my car. There'd be zero chance. Look, these look like MREs. What? They got some end of the road fireworks? Yeah. Screaming Mimi. Yeah, that reminds me. I like whistlers too. Like bottle rockets and shit. I'm simple. You ain't gotta be, you know what I mean, rich to impress me now. Yeah, we're all by ourselves now. We're just in the aisle, no one goes there. 1 and 2. Back it up a little bit so y'all can see. I don't want to make this video too long, because y'all won't watch it. Wicked awesome. And they also say, don't go for the shiny packaging. You know what I mean? Go for what you know. Don't go with what looks nice on the outside of the box, because it's just going to get ripped and burnt. 33 shots. The Mountain Thunder, where's that at? I don't know. These are big boy joints here. That would take up my entire back seat. Wacky tobacky. I'm with it. Thunderstorm. Legion of Fire. Wow, that's $300. See that? That just there? I don't want to touch it because it feels like it fall over. That one little thing there is 300 bones. 350. Alright, everyone. That's about it. We're back down to the employees only section. Starting to get packed again. Alright, everyone. I am Charlie Brown. I'm Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures. You can tell by the shirt. And I'm here at Phantom saying peace out. See you in the next one. Ooh, ooh.